It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion at most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we have our last part of the NPHC Inspired Nail series, okay? And today we are doing Iota Phi Theta Fraternity Incorporated as our organization, and their colors are charcoal brown and gilded gold. So of course, to make things simpler, we are going with brown and gold. So those are the colors that I got together, and I'm going in on the thumb, ring finger, and the pinky finger with some brown, and on the pointer and middle with some gold. And I'm going to do a couple of coats of this because, as you can see on that brown, it is a little see-through, and especially on the thumb it's like that. So when I go in with the next coat, you can see the color is a lot richer, and that's what I want for this design. I didn't do anything crazy or too much over the top. I wanted to kind of keep it simple. So for this design, if you have a couple of colors that you just love and you just want to spice it up a little bit, then this is the design for you. I'm going to go in with a few rhinestones on each nail, and then for one of the nails, I'm going to bling it out and just cover it with the gold rhinestones. So here I'm adding those rhinestones at the cuticle. And with this being the end of this series, if you guys haven't noticed, I love a series, okay? So give me some suggestions of some other series that you guys would like me to start. So I'm applying my Beetles top coat. And for that middle finger, that is the finger that I'm going to bling out. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this series. I definitely have enjoyed it. Just taking a part of my life and kind of just turning it into a way to create some nail art has been fun for me. I'm definitely open for suggestions. So don't be afraid to leave me some comments and let me know what you guys want to see on the channel, some things that you guys want to try out. It can be a product, it can be a method, anything like that. I know I want to try the lazy girl method and a lot of different things that I have been seeing lately, like the jelly tips and things like that. So I have been ordering some of those things so that I can start filming that for you guys. I just got my Young Nails box in from their Memorial Day sale. as well as some other things from Double Dip. So I can't wait to do an unboxing for you guys and try it out, let you guys know what I think about it. So definitely keep an eye out for that. And here, this is that middle fingernail that I told you guys that I was just going to bling out. So I went in with my gel, and now I'm just putting all of those rhinestones on the nail. And this is what it looks like after I, move them around to get them in the right position. If you missed any of the NPHC inspired designs, definitely check them out, because some of the things I did in this video, I did in previous ones. So if you may have questions about my placement or my application, anything like that, watching the previous videos might help everything make more sense. Definitely, I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And also hit that notification bell. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And guess what? It's a wrap. I will see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.